Sometimes you will receive email from background verification team. If you submitted any insufficient documents, background verification team will ask you the proper justification. You need to respond to that email immediately. Okay? Why they are dropping mail to you? The background verification team almost identified everything. They need solid evidence from your side to close your background verification with rejected status. That is why they are dropping mail to you. 95% of people failing to respond to background verification team emails whenever they ask additional information from your side, especially for overlapping, hiding past service history. Simply they will respond as this is 3+ months overlapping, that is part-time job, that is why they created PF account. Please understand, for part-time job there is no PF concept. If you work in part-time role, no one create PF record. Okay, so the statement itself, they are failing, they will identify and they will fetch or they will take the response from your side over the email and upload that email and close your BGV. Okay, and as I mentioned multiple times, again they cannot reinitiate your background verification. That is how background verification system, applications or tool designed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find wonderful information in this channel, please subscribe and share to your friends. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.